Abashaho bashatu b'irwariro rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital abari mu nkomo ya polisi ya Hoima ne Brenda Kamwesige w'emyaka 39 y'obukuru orukora aha CT scan mwete radiographer kandi omutura w'ekyaro kya Rusaka omurembo rwa Hoima abandi ndakasada Julius w'emyaka 54 omutura wa Rusaka kandi orukuchebera endwara y'omutwe wa laboratory ondijo nibyabasheja Aran w'emyaka 26 omutura wa Karongo omuhoima West Division obire nashoma obushaho mwete intani aba okomwa chizireho bwanyuma yo kushaba sente namuyambe naiya w'emyaka 4 okurgo district ya Kyankwanzi ngo bamuyambe bakore scan omwana weye w'emyaka 17 aho yaresera hirwariro area inobuzibu omunda
abanzi bamusaba sente kumuya umusahi kandi wahikire mu radiography kumukora CT scan bamusaba emitwaro 30 bwamazire kusasura kuba nendo bujanje biyeterere nduru yanterere simu yansaba mbitahe mukani nyaragira security ya hairwaro hano aba UPDF aba bagenda sente zo bazibayihaho.
Badru Mugabi or RCC urembo rwa Hoima yagamba ngo cyoma cya CT scan yajomerera ekikorwa ecyakozirwe abashahwaba.
Ofisi ya RCC ikarekingwire kandi twina na security hano hageti y'irwaro umuntu we nanyagirwe rundi arabizibwe kubi mukusabo je weterere nduru mu ofisi yange rundi ugende ha police rundi ha security gate hano ha entrance.
Badru yashaba abantu bona aho kwimukiramo bakarwanisa ebituga omarwariro bari kubagisaba byo kwerinda
tukujumira uburi bwenguzi tukujumira abantu abakusise ibara lya government kandi tukujumira abantu abakunyakura isente abantu abanako nibenda kubani bahereza services kandi services ziri zabusa.
Dr. Ibrahim Bwaga orikurirwaro erihagwe rya Hoima yacyamyangu abashaho bakwasirwe kandi ngo batwirwe n'ababarabara obutashaba abantu sente.
We take note that our staff were implicated. Since it is in the hands of the law, we shall let the law take its course. We have always, time and again, cautioned the staff that our services are free and nobody is allowed to touch money. The only service that is to be paid for is the one that is strictly in private wing, and the money in private wing is paid to URA. So anything else is outside our standard operation procedure.
Bitogu yagamba ngo enkora ya CT scan abantu nibagishashura omuyura mtari 12 hamwe n'emtari 17 ezatirweho ekitongore cy'ebyamagara.
Even today if you come, we shall tell you that the CT scan is to be paid for, but you pay to URA in private wing. Again, I'm maintaining no staff is allowed to touch money. The CT scan is to be paid for. That one is known even by the Ministry of Health.
How much?
120,000. Then the one with contrast is 170. URA is the authorized collector of funds in private wing.
Omugambirizi wa polisi ya Albertine Julius Hakiza Aran yagamba ngo fayiro zabo nizija kuza owo muhababe wa government orwo kubanza ningo rwa kabiri rero babatware omukoti.
2008 omwari kumanyonga namu ya naiya omyaka 8 resident of Kidada village mu Kyankwanzi akareta umwana w'imyaka 17 ayizire ayinobuzibo mu ndarwire ababentu benda kumurabya musikani ibirabire namwenda bamuzize ngo umwana ine kuraba musikani bamusaba emitwaro 35 ngo umwana babanza kumuhereza bamuravye musikani. So ko twatungira information abo byo kwirinda barukora irwariro na police ba photocopyingaho emitwaro 3 note z'emitwaro 5 bazerezo muzizi tuzaba kwata nazo
makuraga gashakwa gadasaba.